Welcome to Serenity Club 2-bedroom master suite oceanfront. So this is a junior suite oceanfront connected to the 1-bedroom master suite. So we're going to start on the junior suite side. So you have the 2 sinks, lights. You have the large glassed-in shower, toilet, closet with your robes and your slippers, as well as your safe and your beach bag that you can use during your visit. And then this is what the junior suite looks like. So you have your king bed, your jacuzzi tub on the balcony, as well as a little sofa available. And then your TV has your activity schedule, the map of the resort. We're in building 4, so it's one of those red buildings you can see on the map. You have your Nespresso machine as well as your mini bar with your sodas, juices, and beer. Now going into the 1-bedroom master suite side, you have a Pilates machine and kind of like a mini workout gym, which is awesome. And then a living room with a couch, tables, another television, little mini bar area that you can enjoy, especially if you take advantage of the 24-hour room service. And then here's the bedroom part of the master suite with the king bed. And then a much larger bathroom on this side with another tub in the center of this bathroom. So again, you could book it as a 1-bedroom, or if you want that guaranteed connecting junior suite, you book it as the 2-bedroom. So, and then you have a slightly larger jacuzzi tub, a day bed, and then a table and chairs for 4 people out on your balcony.